YouTube, what's happening? Hey, back with the video. You know, we gotta work on them as far as appearance. Still on the SS Cherry Limeade, as you know her by. Yeah. So what I have is the ZL1 style diffuser. I got it from American Muscle. MP ZL1 style rear diffuser. Typically shipped, it's about $285. But what happened was I clicked on it one day. They had an open box special for about $115 shipped. So basically, and it said on the description that it had scratches, you know, minor scratches, but honestly, I don't really see any scratches. If anything, it's, you know, maybe a little, you know how you put duct tape on something or, you know, pull it off? There's a mark like that, and it might just rub out. But honestly, for $115, it was hard to pass that up. $285, I was waiting and waiting, because as y'all know, to fit the ZL1, you know, my car came with dual exhaust, but I had a ZL1 quad muffler from one of my homies, so to fit it, I had put, you know, I had basically cut my single diffuser, as you can see. And it wasn't bad, but you know, right there, boom, look, a little rough, because I used the Sawzall, so I did that just to get the muffler on, knowing the whole time I was going to buy a diffuser, because again, this diffuser is not as aggressive, and you know, it's just that black, basic gray, black, unpainted diffuser they put on. So this one is painted, or gloss black is what they sell. $285 normally from American Muscle, but I got it for $115 shipped, open box. Said it has scratches, I don't really see any. Has all the clips. So that was the main thing, because they had another one there for about probably $75 shipped, but it had broken clips. But this one has all the clips. I don't see really anything that's gonna be stopping me from buying it. So anyway, got that, and of course, since I'm switching it out, this is from phastek, the smoked diffuser reflectors. Let's open it up, see how it looks. All right, YouTube, so I got them out the plastic. Comes nicely wrapped. Smoked diffuser reflectors from phastek. These were about 25, I think shipping was like 32, 33. Comes with your little screws, so it comes with hardware. And basically what we're doing here is gonna put it right in here. So, you know, your stock one comes with the the red. But what I was gonna do, and what I did on my last one, I had the same vinyl like I did on my sides here. I was gonna do that, but since I was getting another diffuser, I decided, hey, let me just go ahead and buy this since it's already out, put them in, have a whole new look on the rear. But that'll be another video of the install. But right now I'm just showing you rear diffuser, ZL1 style. It's a little bit more aggressive, a little lower on the sides here. And then has a little jet right here versus, again, the basic unpainted, unfinished, pretty cheap stuff they give you when you buy the car, as far as the 1SS with the dual exhaust like I had, like I said. And mainly the only reason I'm really doing this is because, again, I cut up my dual one to fit the quads for the ZL1 muffler that I replaced it with. But that's going to be about it. Oh, let me stick this in here, show you how it's going to look. So boom, there you go. That's going to be the smoked versus oh yeah, so way more hidden look, clean up. But we'll do another video when it's on the car, and that's going to be it for Cherry Limeade today. I'll do another video with all the mods as far as cosmetics. I did one with the internal mods, not internal, but engine mods. But another video is coming with all my exterior mods. All right, we out.